Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by B4 You. Today, let me introduce you the Cozy Homeer. COSYHOMEER. Kitchen rugs, non-slip and washable kitchen mat. For the floor, absorbent kitchen rug set of 2 kitchen runners. Rugs for the kitchen, carpet, sink, laundry area. All these are rugs in black. It's also available on the market in different colors like brown, burgundy, green, gray, navy blue, and copper. You can choose. And you can choose how it looks in your area, because you can get them in the living room, you can get them in the kitchen, you can get them in the bedroom, or where you need it. These kitchen racks here and mats are crafted from premium 2 colors polypropylene fibers with a high and a low weaving circle design. Ensuring they can effectively absorb the spill oil and water. This kitchen sink mat keeps the floor from scratches and impacts. It adds both aesthetic and appeal and functionality. And it's designed for longevity. This kitchen runners rugs with a tight sewing and the dense yarn provides exceptional durability, superb absorbency, stain resistant, and a color fastness. This features protects our floor against oil, moisture, source, or food particles. This ensuring a long-lasting performance even in the high-traffic areas. And with a non-slip TPR backing. For enhanced safety, this rugs for the kitchen features a TPR and anti-skid strapped backing that ensures the mats stay firmly on our floor, minimizing the risk of slips, trips, and drops. We should know that for the optimal performance, the placement should be clean and dry before positioning the kitchen standing mat. And the kitchen floor mats are easy to clean. Regular cleaning can be done with a vacuum cleaner, while deeper cleaning requires only machine wash in cold water using a male detergent. And tumble dry on the low heat, without the bleach or the fabric softeners to keep the mats looking fresh and vibrant after repeated washing. And a really good look here. We have absorbent. We have non-slip, we have stain resistant, and we have washable. We enjoy particularity and a style with a superior clean lines and a floor protection at the same time. It's crafted with vibrant colors and stylish elements there with premium materials. That comes from the high-quality polypropylene fiber, offers a great durability, absorbent, and stain-resistant in its color fastness. They resist the peeling and ensuring a long-lasting and odorless. And water absorbent. Great water absorbent ensures that our kitchen stays clean and dry at the moment. And slip resistance, that means we have a TPR backing, provides a reliable grip and a stability on slippery floors, enhancing our safety. And the washing machine available. Designed for easy maintenance, the kitchen mats can be cleaned in the washing machine, or you can use a vacuum. That's ensuring a daily freshness and clean lines. 152 centimeter, 60 inches long. Or the second one is 89 centimeters. There are 35 inches wide. And the other dimension is 60 centimeter and 24 inches. 60 centimeter and 24 inches both. So you see, Cozy Homeer brings us here a good, nice kitchen racks. Cozy Homeer kitchen racks, that's for a home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.